Hi, friends. All right, I'm excited by this. I'm going to take you on a journey into the next phase of AI. Okay, right now, the whole focus is on language, is on large language models, LLM. Okay, ChatGPT from OpenAI, Anthropic's Claude product, or Microsoft Copilot. The next phase we're moving into is having AI actually complete tasks for us. Okay, large action models, LAMs. There's two products I've been watching that are doing some pretty amazing things. I'm going to take you through it. Okay, the first is called the Rabbit. The second is called the 01 Lite. These things can do things like book an Uber ride for you or give you recipe suggestions from a photograph. Okay, and some of the next things we're seeing are it performing tasks on your computer for you when you are not there based on your commands. Check this out. Hope you like it.
This is the Rabbit R1. I can also use R1 to call a ride. Get me a ride from my office to home now.
Of course, I will book an Uber ride for you from your office to your home. Please confirm the ride.
This is what I got in the fridge. Can you make me a nice dish that's low in calories?
Let me see. How about a green garden omelette? It's a delicious and low-calorie dish that combines the freshness of broccoli and cabbage with the creaminess of eggs. Here's a simple recipe for you.
Nice. It recognized all the stuff and gave me the actual recipes.
So imagine if you now can control aspects of your computer from the device. Let's just say you're in the middle of a Microsoft Word document, you're summarizing a press release, you're capturing your notes from a session, or you're working in Excel on a budget. You can use the device to help you in that regard as well.
Here's a table I've been working on for job questionnaire. Can you create an additional column that matches candidates who mentioned Rabbit in their questions about how they found us?
Sure, let me take a look at the table and add the matching column for you. I've processed the table and sent you an email with the results.
Here's where it gets really interesting. Let's say you're out and you have a device controlled by your voice that controls your computer back in the office or back at home. And you can ask it to do things and guide your computer through that and have those results fed directly to you. If you have this little device, it's connected to Wi-Fi or a hotspot on your mobile device, and you can interact with it. You can create content on your machine. You can send emails. You can ask for calendar interactions. This is where the voice, computer, AI, Wi-Fi, 5G, 6G, etc. is going to be truly connected to offer seamless experiences that you can control effortlessly. Check this out.
When's the next sunny day?
One moment. The next sunny day is on March 9th.
Great. Am I doing anything on that day?
Let me check your calendar. You have no events scheduled for March 9th.
Nice. Can you see if there are any concerts in Seattle on that day?
Yes, you have several options. Option 1, Bad Bunny will be performing at the Climate Pledge Arena.
That's perfect. Can you add that to my calendar and then copy and paste a link to the ticket into the calendar event? And then actually, if you could text Paige the link and say something like, hey, do you want to go to this?
Done. The concert is on your calendar and Paige has been texted.
Awesome, thanks.
You're welcome. By the way, you've just received an email from Mike asking about your progress on an article. Would you like to respond to it now?
Hey, that article should be on my desktop. It's called the Universal Interface.
There's a file titled the Universal Interface.pdf on your desktop. Do you want me to send it to Mike?
Yes, please send it.
The document has been emailed to Mike.
Basic tasks. Pretty impressive, but basic tasks. Okay, the future of all of this is training your agent on your particular workflows, okay? Sending an email, checking a calendar, that's one thing. It's pretty great, it's remote, it's entirely by voice, that's awesome. But what if you could train your particular setup, your device connected to Wi-Fi or a hotspot to your computer at home, to train it on certain ways that you do things? If you receive an email containing an invoice or from this person, put it into Slack, send a message to this person, attach the piece of work and process that for you. Or if you ever receive a notification on Microsoft Teams or Slack that's on this topic, alert this person and send me an SMS. Okay, so you can train on custom workflows. This is where it gets really awesome.
I'm going to show you how to send a Slack message.
Okay, I'm ready. What's the first step?
First, open Slack.
It looks like Slack is open. Did I do that right?
Yeah, you did.
Great, what's next?
Hit Command K.
Done. Did I do that correctly?
Yeah, that worked. Okay, now type out the name of the recipient, like, for example, Ty, then press enter.
Done. Let me know if I did that right.
Yes, you did. Now I want you to click on the text box at the bottom that says Message Ty.
I've clicked the text box. Did I do that right?
Yeah, you did. Okay, now you can write the message. For example, hey Ty, then press enter.
It looks like I've sent the message. Is that right?
Yes, and that's all there is to this skill, so you can save it now.
Sure thing. I've just learned the skill send a Slack message.
Okay, now I want you to monitor my email. If you get any invoices, could you take a look at the attachments and then Slack all the relevant details to Mike?
All right, I'll monitor your inbox for invoices. If I see one, I'll Slack the details to Mike.
Now, days later, when I get an invoice, which I'll test just by emailing one to myself, it will Slack it to Mike and let me know about it.
I just sent a Slack message to Mike with the basic information of the invoice.
That was the O1 Lite.
Okay, so AI-powered devices are obviously here. What's next with all of this? Well, for me, I think that AI is going to be more ingrained in our daily lives and what we do with work. Think about BCI, brain-controlled interfaces, augmented reality contact lenses. These are already in testing. But I think in terms of the workplace, this AI agent, if you like, this bot that has been doing things for me based on my instruction, either right there in front of me with the device, like you saw the Uber or recipes or Excel column holding it up to the screen, or by purely speaking into a device that's controlling my computer elsewhere and doing things for me. I think what we're going to see is that pairing up of humans and bots, humans and AI agents, to take us even further, to help us do things quicker, to help us do things with less effort, and to outsize the contributions that we can make as individuals. I see the future of the organization chart at a workplace as AI and humans, humans and AI. Let's think about where it can get. Love to hear what you think.